I'd now like to invite to the stage Katja, who's the sales director from Metsä Fibre.
Good morning, everybody. It's nice to be here to speak to you because actually, even though I'm a sales director coming from German office in Wiesbaden, I'm actually a chemical engineer by training, and green chemistry being always part of my passion, and that is why I'm very happy to be here to talk about wood-based innovations for you today. But just briefly first, let me tell you what Metsä Fibre actually is. It is a Finnish company originating from the forest. Metsä actually means forest in Finnish, so you already have it in the name. We are a leading provider of softwood pulp, timber, and also renewable energy. In addition to that, we produce a great variety of other bioproducts, such as crude tall oil, turpentine, which can find use in many different types of consumer applications as well. We are also investing significantly in R&D work. And in this segment, we are particularly interested in replacing fossil-based materials. So to say, we are developing bio-based substitutes. And when it comes to R&D work, so we are very much focusing on the pulp mills we have in Finland. We have actually 4 pulp mills we are operating there. And currently, so we have 2 different angles to this development work. Either we are looking into finding kind of new application areas for the existing bioproducts, being all the streams that come out from the pulp mill, the main product, but also the side streams. But then we are also interested in developing new kind of feedstocks that you could sort of enable by doing process development, technology development, together with external partners. And being said that, so we are actually doing all our R&D work together with partners, external partners, either our customers or then technology R&D partners. And we have quite many different type of initiatives going on at the moment, but today I have brought with me 3 different examples. Lignin, which is actually a water-soluble dispersant, can find end use as, for example, as a plasticizer in concrete production. And around this topic, we are actually currently building a demonstration plant to one of our bioproduct mills in Äänekoski, Finland. The aim is to produce 2 tons per day in this demonstration plant, and we hope that it will be up and running by end of next year. Then we have the light fiber material, which you can see in the middle. This is a fully recyclable material that offers softness and comfort. You can add it together with many different types of materials to enable kind of or it could work as a filler, it could work as some kind of absorption or material, or it could be somewhere between the wall and the floor, offering soundproof, etc. But you could also have it in other kind of insulation purposes. And finally, we have the cellulose fiber pellets, where the aim is to, at the time being, to be able to combine them in various types of biocomposites that could be used in a great number of everyday products. And here the aim is really to offer lightness and endurance into the material, but also, of course, to reduce the carbon footprint. And what is our approach to this development? As being said in the beginning, wood is already today used in a very large amount of different types of supply chains. It is used in many, many products, and I guess that many of you are not even aware of where you can find the wood today. You can actually also find it in a mobile phone, where it is in a form of turpentine. But we see that there could be even more of them. And that is why we invite you to co-creation with us. And just naming some of the examples where we could see it being used also in the future. And why do we do this? So why co-creation? It is actually because we believe that if you really want to be successful and introduce completely new type of innovations to a value chain, you can't do it alone. We have for many, many years already developed new products together with our supplier base, but also with the customers, and we really want to reinforce this type of cooperation. Well, to be able to sort of realize this in practice, so what are we doing? We have created a bioproduct mill concept, way of thinking and operating. So today we have two of our newest mills, which are one of is here in the picture, Äänekoski mill, built this kind of ecosystem where we have several of our customers already on site. Being said, it means that some of the by-streams that we produce directly can be shipped as raw material to our customers. The newest initiative being, for example, the Veolia case here, which will, to my understanding, be starting soon, which is where Veolia will start producing biomethanol. We also have other interesting ongoing topics. So I already mentioned the lignin demonstration plant, but we also have initiative demonstration plant for textiles and molded fiber cartons or boxes. And in all of the operation, of course, so resource efficiency and fossil-free operations are key. We are today not using any fossil fuels in any of our operation, and the target is for us also to be completely fossil-free on the product side. And some of you might know that typically these kind of pulp mills, so they generate actually much more electricity than what they use. So already today, we are one of the largest bioenergy supplier to the Finnish grid. And last but not least, what is behind all this work is and thinking is, of course, driving sustainability. We want to be the enabler of sustainable solutions. We want to be there to mitigate climate change and also to sort of enable circularity in operations. Our raw material come from Nordic forests, sustainably managed forests, and it is actually enabled quite nicely by our owner base. 50% of the company is owned by the cooperative, which is then in turn owned by 90,000 Finnish forest owners. So these forest owners take care of the fact that the principles of sustainability are used in everyday forest management, but they also secure that we have a continuous supply of wood to our mills. And with these words, I want to invite you all to visit our booth. We are looking for partnerships to increase our partnership base. And we also have, along with us, some of the samples really to show to you what we are working on today. And at least you can come and grab along this nice mobile phone holder, which will allow you to, whether you travel back by air or train, so you will nicely be able to watch some nice films or something you like. And with these words, I want to thank you all and welcome to our booth.